Hi guys.
Yo guys.
So today is Bonfire night, and we're currently going to a fireworks display.
Yeah.
In Amy tried to get in the camera.
Oh.
In where is it called?
Coram
Fields.
Fields, yeah. Coram
Yeah,
Fields.
and there's like some kiddie rides and like fair rides there.
Yeah. So, so we're gonna
So cute.
yeah, firework display. And when it comes to that, I'm a big kid. We're big kids to that.
Yeah.
I think.
Biggest kids. But we're gonna film with you guys, and we hope you enjoy.
So make sure to watch our previous videos and everything, and we'll catch you guys there.
We'll catch you guys in a bit.
Peace.
Yeah. Oh, then let's run. So guys, we currently just got off the train now.
Yeah. So
We're
so we're here now.
Here, yeah. But we're half an hour late, so
Yeah.
it's fine. But literally we're like round the corner. So
Yeah.
when we get there, we'll show you like what's in the park and
Yeah.
fireworks.
Hopefully it's a good firework display and everything.
Yeah, man.
And yeah, we'll show you guys anyway. So oh, there you go. So yeah, we'll see you guys there anyway. Oh, we missed it.
Guys, so we're here now, obviously, and the light is good from this ride. But we currently only saw like about a few fireworks because we come
I
late.
was here
so
for about, sorry, go on.
Go on, no.
I was here for about literally 2 minutes and we just saw the ending of it.
Yeah,
so
literally.
We'll put in what we've seen.
Yeah.
You'll see what we see kind of thing.
Yeah, then obviously we're here with my niece and everyone, so she's just gonna go on the rides.
But yeah, we hope you enjoyed the video either way. So
But we're probably gonna go get something to eat later, so we'll
exactly.
show you guys that as well.
I'm starving.
Yeah, same. Okay, well,
Alright, well,
we shall catch you in a bit. And we might run a kiddie ride with my niece.
Yeah.
So peace. Latin machine here. Yeah, so my niece is currently going on this merry-go-round thing. Going on the merry-go-round thing.
Yeah.
And obviously it's kiddie ride, so we're the biggest kids here and we're not going to go on it. But yeah.
Sorry if you can't hear us. Hopefully you can.
Yeah, it's a bit loud because there's loads of kids on the merry-go-round.
But yeah, this lighting, the lighting from the ride is doing justice right now. I can't lie. So.
Yeah. She's saying bye for still.
Oh, is
she? Hey guys, so obviously we are still in this park. My niece and nephew and my sister have just gone at the teacup things. But this is just reminding us of Winter Wonderland.
Yeah.
With all like the
it's
Christmassy
like
rides.
a small version to it.
But we think we're definitely going to go this year. But just let us know if you think we should go, because we do want to go.
Leave in the comments below.
Like, you can see we're recording my shoot. But yeah, never mind. Mum tried to interrupt. But yeah, we definitely want to go Winter Wonderland this year. We don't know about the ice skating bit, but we do want to go on some of the rides and walk around like the German market and everything.
Yeah,
Get a little bit of souvenirs.
When it gets close.
And Christmassy food and shit.
Yeah, I was going to say, when it gets close to Christmas, it will be a
good time to go.
Yeah, it'll be a bit like, it'll
romantic
be much more better.
and
everything.
Christmassy.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll catch you when we get some food, guys.
Yeah.
So guys, we just left the park. Obviously my niece went on a few rides and we saw the first bit of fireworks.
Yeah.
But we're currently in Russell Square now. We're gonna find somewhere to eat.
Yeah.
My lips look purple in this light. They're doing it?
Yeah.
Like the bottom one. But yeah, it's quite cold. But yeah, we're literally just gonna find somewhere to eat. I think there's landed something, but I'm feeling for Wagamons for some reason.
Waggers, chicken katsu.
But I don't know if it's here. I can't remember if there's one here, but literally. Oh, they're there. Yeah, so we'll catch you when we get in the restaurant.
Peace.
So guys, we walked from Russell Square to Angel and we're now at Wagamons.
Yeah, so we're gonna tuck into some waggers. And that.
Let's go this way.
Sorry. Oh, I went up for it too.
Oh my god. I thought they were walking past.
Oh,
I thought they were walking
the guy
past.
literally, like, I said I went up for it too in front, and the guy like walked in front of us to go to Wagamama's.
I thought you were walking past them.
So did I, but then I turned around and he was there, and I was like, whoops. But yeah, we're gonna go to Wagamama's and order our food.
Yeah.
And then once we've ordered, we shall show you what we've got.
Yes.
But if you haven't been to Wagamama's, come check it out because it's really nice.
Yeah, it's fine. And if you haven't, then you ain't living.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
You see what's happening back
No, I can.
And action. You know the music's really great. Sparklers now, but yeah, we shall show you when we're done. Oh,
Yeah.
Ready, Evie?
Wait.
Oh, I put it very close to my face.
Careful.
They're firing out. Fire, fire.
3, 2, oh no, a bit longer than that.
Ah. Are you ready?
But,
And we're done.
so yeah. Oh, go on.
No, no, yeah.
Oh, right, yeah, so we've finished eating Waggers. So you should see in the previous footage that
Yes.
we've what we had is delicious. You like it? Yeah, it was very nice. Very nice. But
We
yeah,
was craving it and we had it.
yeah, literally. So yeah, Waggers.
We walked and then got a bus, but
Yeah.
walked from Russell Square to Angel.
Waggers is the place to go.
Yeah.
So that's why we came all the way.
And because we was craving it. So
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I feel for Magnum.
Yeah, exactly.
We thought in Russell Square there was one, but there wasn't. But we hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
It was short and sweet. I said
Yeah.
about this time minutes.
Short and sweet, yeah.
Yeah.
Short and sweet video.
And we shall be back with more videos.
So make sure to
subscribe,
like
like,
and comment on all our previous videos.
and this video.
Yeah. And let us know
What you want to see next.
in the comments below. Make sure to follow us on Instagram as well. It's in the description. Please make sure to follow it. So yeah.
See you guys later.
Peace. Here we go. He's doing helium.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on all our videos. Okay? Don't forget to.
Yeah, you heard her. You heard her. Make sure to
It's gone
subscribe.
now. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and like. We hope you
Make
like
sure
our
you
bonfire.
subscribe, like, comment on every single video. Oh, don't forget.
Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on our bonfire. video.
Whoa!